Timber! Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
All right, good morning, guys. So we got a fat, chunky tree for you guys today. It's a nice poplar. There are no dangers. There's nothing under it, but the house is pretty close. But we're not gonna be dropping anything anywhere close to the house. We're just gonna be flopping a bunch of the stuff, possibly rigging down some tops and some logs, because we're not trying to make a big mess in the ground. We're not trying to make divots or anything like that. And we're still using the jailbreak. It's pretty good so far. It's not bad. I feel like it. Got Rube, Ronnie,
Morning.
Michael, Arturo, and me. All right, guys. So hope you'll enjoy. It's gonna be pretty fun. It is. It's gonna be pretty fun. And most of all the brush is right close to the chipper, so it's just gonna be easy feeding. So not gonna be difficult. I like that. All right. Watch out. 1364. So originally I wanted to throw my line all the way to the top so I could rope walk up there, but the throw ball's in a big old wad, so I couldn't do that. So now we gotta do this the old way.
I'll pass it to you.
You pass it to me because you're so tall, Michael. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, listo rope. Alright guys, so there's my setup. Got the block up there, got my rope cinched off right there. Left a little bit of a long tail and then set a ring right here. That way it's not just pulling straight down on that stem. And this one keeps, this one pulls it back, that one pulls it down. So basically all that weight is being put straight up and down on that stem rather than just having it jerk forward like that to the right or something. So that way you can also take off bigger pieces. Yeah, and also we want to see how the jailbreak works with a bigger rope, with a thicker rope. Okay. Careful, Mike, it's gonna swing towards you. Good job.
Thank you. Nice.
Thank you. Okay. There we go. Dale, dale. Good job. Okay. Nice job, man. That was
Nice.
that was sick. That was 101%. Thank you. Thank you. Good job, Rube. Dale. Good job. Okay. That was a big piece. Cuidado, cuidado. Good job. Good job. And this thing's heavy. Yeah. there you go.
Yeah. Nice.
Hey, 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 hey. Okay, Michael. Pull right there where the cherry tree is, or where that little tree is. And top it. There's a little limb. Wow. Woo! Thank you.
Nice.
There we go. Had the notch this way, but we had to compensate a little bit for the lean that was going this way. So that's what landed right there. So. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Listo. Timber. Thank you.
Nice. Good job.
Timber.
Nice.
Woo! Nice.
Nice.
No, yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're about to get the big one. The big chunky one. Pretty thick. And we use you can see better on this side. Yeah, we're about to get this big chunky one now. It's not that tall, but this thing is heavy. We're gonna use the 36-inch bar on the 661 to knock it over. Woo.
Almost.
Very good. Thing's big. Woo.
Get the water, get the water.
I get the water.
Go get the hollow part, go get the hollow part. Next thing.
Just kind of cut that a little lower, but other than that, yeah, we had a consistent amount of hinge wood. I just kind of cut that a little lower, but other than that, it's good.
It died.
Did that? Hope y'all enjoyed it, because we did. It was a whole lot of fun, butt ton of fun, and that's heavy. we were able to get it land on target for the most part, except for the top. It's kind of crooked that way, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and especially subscribe. See you guys next time. Got a tree hugger here. Peace out, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, Dad. Churro. Bye. Alrighty. Peace out. Careful, careful, guys. Okay. Espera, watch out, watch out, watch out. All right, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Not bad. Oh, okay. All right, there you go. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. Okay, otro. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. De vuelta aquí. Dale. Okay. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Ahí está. Ahí está. Empújala, Ronnie. Estás allí, estás allí. Woo. That's easy. Okay, wait, espera. You lift it, Dad? Okay. Ahí está bien, ¿no?
I think we can push it.
We can push it, right?
Just push it, that's it.
Agarra el cable aquí. Okay, watch out. Watch out, Michael, watch out.
Yeah.
Ahí está. That's good.